Raising gas is started with Batangas Force. First to show quickness at the start, Palasig Gobelis in the middle portion. Then comes Malihim and this Ram Virgin Island Mangaro Albonit. Blanca is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. We have Gobelis now takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. Palasig is right when in second. Virgin Island Batangas Force comes next. Malihim and this Ram Bonita Blanca while Mangaro now racing in last back to the leader. We have Gobelis by about 3/4 of a length lead. And in second is Virgin Island. Down on the inside, Palasig, Batangas Force, Malihim, Bonita Blanca, and this Ram while Mangaro is still racing in 8th. And at the far turn, we have Gobelis by about a length. Then here comes Palasig, now coming closer. And on the outside, Virgin Island, Malihim, and this Ram Batangas Force, Bonita Blanca, while Mangaro still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Palasig by the length. And this Ram moving for the outside, Malihim. And as they swing for home, we have Palasig, followed by Andis Ram in second. And on the outside now is Malihim. Last 100 meters, we have Andis Ram now takes command. Palasig dropping back in second. Last 25 meters, we have Andis Ram. Second is Palasig, Malihim, Mangaro. Then comes Batangas Force, Virgin Island, Bonita Blanca, and Gobelis.
4-1-5.